sound effects of razors and shavers. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet this whole time and make sure to listen to the sounds. Now we're talking. See, at the end, we're almost at the end. Just one more thing. This shave. Last but not least, this bad boy. You've seen it at another video. Let's go. And yeah, just one more thing, which is about this. This even has background. We're not and yet. You're forgetting one more thing. And I'm gonna go and bring my iridium. I did that one before, but that's with that thing. It's not gonna wrap it up to today's video. Okay, so my mom wants to tell you something.
Hi, can you follow Yusuf on the...
Not me.
Yes, is my name, but Yusuf you can make video?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, on the TikTok, can you follow him, please?
Yeah.
My name is in the TikTok, Zina
and...
Zina Sinjari.
And 88.
I think, yeah.
And I have a TikTok account, but it only have 2 videos. Mine is the Demon Base.
Okay,
make sure to follow it. Peace. Bibbly babbly boo.